Would you like to have switchback LED DRL and indicators on your Saab 9.3 like what I'm showing you here? If you would, then stay tuned, let me show you how. This is the product that I'm going to use to achieve what you just saw in the introduction. It's an LED based bulb, dual colour LEDs, orange and white. Comes with a decoder box already attached and an extra lead that you power up to provide the DRLs. And Saab 3 and Vectra C owners, these LED bulbs with this decoder box, they will not give you an error on the dash, neither will they flash when the car is off. To fit them to the car, first remove the bulb holder and the bulb from the indicator. Take the bulb out. Fit this LED bulb and have a look at where the leads come out of the side of the LED. With a 3mm drill a hole through here near to where the leads come out of the bulb. Remove the bulb from the holder. That hole is where the leads are going to come out through. Now remove this sealing O-ring. Don't discard it though, we will be wanting it back. Holding the bulb holder firmly with a hacksaw, cut a slot from the edge through into the hole that you just made. With a sharp craft knife, smooth the edges off and widen the slot ever so slightly. Now put the bulb back in the holder, and now you need to pass each wire through the slot and into the hole. Pass them through one at a time. They are very delicate, so don't force them. Keep the wires a few millimeters away from the little tags that the bulb holder uses to hold itself into the reflector. And I'm securing those wires into place with some of this new UV setting glue that's recently come on the market. And I'm using the same glue to seal the wires where they pass through the hole and the slot I've made. Return the O-ring to the bulb holder and return the bulb holder into the headlamp unit. You don't have to have the headlight out of the car, you can do this while the headlight's still in the car. Be very careful with this decoder pack though. Don't pull the wires, they're very fragile. And then I suggest you tie wrap this to the harness that comes from this connector. The kit then also comes with a little mini harness which you connect to the spare lead from the bulb, and a bare end that you can take into your fuse board and connect to a ignition control. I've connected it to this end red one. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give it a like down by the title. I shall see you next time.